The next segment is going to be discussing the BID programming. You're going to start by plugging in the battery to the charger and letting it start up. Currently we've got the charger running, you've got your volts per cell and the amps that the charger's putting out, your accumulated amp hour, and then the BID temperature that is actually being transmitted from the BID back to the charger. To do the programming, you're going to hit the manual stop button. And to actually program the BID, you have to be in manual stop mode. And we're going to get into the programming by hitting the program review button. 2 for program. And then I'm going to go down to the first BID function, which is going to be function 51. Currently I'm set for cell size of 18 cells. If I want to change that to 12 cell, I'm going to hit the enter key in 12 cells, and then when I hit enter, it's going to say writing BID, and I now have 12 cells. My next BID function is going to be the BID number, and typically this would be in an opportunity charging mode, either identified as the asset number on the side of the battery. If the battery is not going to be removed out of the truck, you can also use the truck asset number. To change it, you're going to hit enter, and again you're going to key in the number that you want to represent that particular battery, and you'll hit enter to jump out of that. Next item down will be BID amp hours, which will be the amp hour size of the battery. To get in there, again, I'll be keying in a 4-digit numeric value. So 0450, and then enter and writing BID. The next item down will be the battery type, and to change that, I'm going to go in, and again for opportunity charging, it's going to be the max profile, which will actually be curve number 8. So I key in 8, and it writes that to the BID. And then the next item down is actually going to be function 58. Okay, we're off somewhere.
Scroll down. There you go.
Next item down will be my battery start amps. Currently this is set for 20 amps per 100 amp hour. The default value will actually be 25 amps per 100, and if I want to change that, I can basically go in and change it for a different value, and that basically allows me to go to a unique start rate different than 25 amps per 100 amp hour if I wanted to. I'm actually, by having a larger charger, able to go up to 30 amps per 100, or whatever value would take me up to the maximum output current that the charger can produce. And when I'm done making my changes, I hit the program review, and I can go back to my standard display, or just let it time out and go back to that on its own.